Welcome to Product Critique, where we bring you the best product reviews. Today, we're going to talk about the best fluffy cowgirl hat that's making waves in the fashion world. The 2PC's cowgirl hats for women with fluffy brim. Whether you're looking to complete your cowgirl-inspired outfit or you're gearing up for a fun festival, this is the hat you'll want to have in your collection. Let's dive in and see what makes this fluffy brim white cowboy hat so special. The first thing you'll notice about this cowgirl hat is its unique fluffy brim. The soft, playful flair that the brim adds is a game changer for anyone looking for something different from the traditional cowboy hat. It gives off a fun, fresh vibe that's perfect for festivals, fancy dress parties, or even a fun day out. The white color not only adds elegance but also makes it versatile enough to pair with a variety of outfits. Whether you're going for a Western look or something more contemporary, this hat will definitely stand out. But it's not just about looks. This cowgirl hat is designed for comfort too. It's made from high-quality fabric material that is breathable and lightweight, making it perfect for long wear at outdoor events. The adjustable string ensures that the hat stays in place, no matter how much you move around. You won't have to worry about it falling off during your photo ops or while you're dancing at a festival. Plus, it fits most head sizes, from adults to older kids, so it's a great accessory for almost anyone. Another great thing about this hat is its durability. Crafted to last, the sturdy construction ensures that the hat retains its shape even after multiple uses. You won't have to worry about it losing its fluff or form after just a few wears. It's perfect for those looking to add a reliable and stylish piece to their wardrobe that will last through various occasions. And speaking of occasions, the versatility of this hat makes it suitable for so many different events. Whether it's for a bachelorette party, a wedding, Halloween, or just a fun photo shoot, this hat will make you the center of attention. It's also ideal for vacations, shopping trips, or any gathering with friends. No matter where you wear it, you'll look unique and feel fabulous. Overall, the 2PC's cowgirl hats for women with fluffy brim is an absolute must-have for anyone looking to add a little Western flair with a modern twist to their wardrobe. Stylish, comfortable, and versatile, this hat is a true winner. If you're ready to step into the spotlight with a fun, fluffy cowboy hat, this is the one for you. Thanks for tuning into Product Critique, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product reviews like this one.